I love to solve problems. I've learned that I'm really good at that. Within technology, there are a lot of problems to solve. Once I recognized that IT was the route that I wanted to take, it felt like a giant leap. I was born and raised in Gary, Indiana. When it comes to like resources and learning about like technology, entrepreneurship, those things really didn't exist. Purdue is where I figured out how to take one step at a time. I am definitely grateful for my experiences at Purdue. It humbled me in so many ways, but it also helped me build a lot of grit and resilience. And that's how you take giant leaps. My name is Faith Spencer. I graduated from Purdue Polytechnic with a double major in cybersecurity and network engineering, and I love to solve problems.